Hi, we're back for another exciting video from me, Janet, where we left off in the other one video of keychains, making keychains using paper napkin. This is dry. This is the next step. I believe this is step 3. See how it overhangs? What you want to do is get you a little file and go down on the sides, make a little edge, tear it off. Do it all around.
Get the door shut.
Okay, you file down the sides of the paper. Peel it off if you have to, but be careful it doesn't go too far in. I did that on my other one and made a big, had a hole. Go like that. Tedious work. Get it off, get it off, get it off. Sometimes it doesn't want to come off. Okay. Oops. I guess you can use an X-Acto knife to get it off better, but okay. But mine is somewhere and I didn't think to get it. See, a lot of my projects are spur of the moment, not well planned out, like have the right tools, right supply. Nah, I just like sitting down and just start, see what I can come up with. If it comes out, it comes out. If it doesn't, it doesn't. But if it comes out really nice, try to remember how you did it so you can repeat it. Okay. Okay, that's the best I can do on that one. Same way with this. Put your finger on the edge. See what I'm doing? On the edge, on the edge. Try to keep that paper from going into the middle. Okay. See that? That way you don't have too much of it hanging down. So you have to file. Now, I either use a nail file. Those are pretty good. I like them. Or I use the big industrial one. This one is a fine, smooth surface. Sort of like this. For bigger projects that I use. File down. Get rid of the sides as much as possible. Check your sides. Okay, get your scissors if you can get as close to the edge as you can. You can do that instead, along with the filing. Just little tricks that I learned. Okay, I don't know if I can do that. Now, on the other side, where you see the hole, you want to make a little indent against your finger, there, so you know where the hole is, and punch the hole back through. See, like that. Turn it, turn it, turn it. There's that. This one I can see, so turn it, get it in there. You want to leave that hole open. Don't put a UV down inside it, because it'll fill up and you'll never get it out, and then you'll have to drill it or throw it away, either one. Okay, put them right there. Can you see them? Now, here's the UV. Do one at a time. Rubber, or silicone rather. Go around that hole. Make sure it does not get any UV in there. And what you want to do is put a thin coat on the top to begin. You don't want it to overfill. And then make a mess. And making messes is my specialty, because I am always goofing up. Okay. And sometimes my best work is from an accident. There, I've got some of the edges. Now that's just a thin coat, like I said. Hit it with a UV. Now, while it's doing that, I gotta unplug my heat gun and plug in my larger machine over here. There we go. Because I had disconnected that earlier and didn't realize that cord went to that. Okay, let's get that done. Turn it off. It doesn't have to be the whole thing, because like I said, I put a thin coat. Now I'm going to go back over it with a second coat. Make sure you don't go through that hole. I'm gonna hurry up because I don't want to have a long video. I can add more UV. Take it all the way to the edge. All the way to the edge. All the way. All the way. What I did not do with the first coat is I didn't bust the bubbles. So this one has bubbles in the first layer, but hopefully not in the second one. There we go. Just hit it with that. Okay, now we're going to make sure. I've got to lift up my glasses so I can get it really in there. There we go. Did I get everything? Yeah. Okay. I can add a little bit more. Just be careful. There. Okay. What's good about this UV resin is that if I miss a spot, I can cover it with another layer of resin and it'll look like one piece still. Hit with that. Now this light here lasts 1 minute, but like I said, I hit it with this light before putting it into that one, so that when I move it, it doesn't spill, it doesn't shift on the base. Okay, it went off. See, I can just pick it up, put it over there, hit it again with the big machine, fill this up. See, there's a bubble right there and another one right there. Got them. Smear it. I don't like doing too many of the same thing unless they're letters in the alphabet, you know, then they all have to be the same. But I only do like 26. I don't do doubles of the same thing, because once one gets sewed, then that's okay with me. This one's now this is considered an original. And I can sell it online if I want. Trying to fill it out to the sides here. Making sure it doesn't go down that hole. Okay, I got some of it. I'm gonna have to put another coat. Okay, and here's the first one. Oh, that looks nice. Look at that. That's it. Nice and smooth. Now I can smear it on the sides if I want to. But for right now, that's it. All I need is another jump ring. But I would also put this back under the light for another minute and a half, just to make sure that it is solid. Or I could put another coat on it. Okay. And this one. And again, I forgot to use the lighter to get rid of the bubbles, so I had some bubbles in here, which is a good reason for me to have another top coat. Go to the ends right there. Go to the ends. And like I said, I like using UV resin better than the other type because it's a lot faster. Instead of taking days to make just one, I can take a couple minutes to make one. And I covered that hole. See, I told you not to cover the hole, and it covered the hole. It covered the hole. So that means this one's going to have to be drilled, because there's no way to get that out of there. Busting the bubbles. The light. See, here's this one. This one came out perfect. That one has to be drilled. More time consuming. But see, the other one was clear backing. This one I painted white. See, here's the white. Painted it with white. And you can see the picture a lot better. I like that. That's pretty. Thank you for watching. Hope you like and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.